Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Puddingboi'S, you're not. I know it's early in the morning, it's 5:41 a.m. Central Standard Time, and then it's 64 degrees, so it was raining like all night yesterday, even this time when I woke up around 4. Yeah. It's really wet. My outside shoes are really wet. I do not want to go outside, so I'm just inside filming a vlog for sure in the morning. Yeah, we don't want, it's windy, and I'm a little wet. Yeah, everybody's asleep, and some people are awake for sure. Yep, I woke up around 4, but, yeah, it was thundering. It was thundering ever since I woke up, and my parents got home around 12 a.m. today, which is early in the morning again, but, it was when I was gonna throw the trash away. I just got rain all over me, and then I just got unwet ever since. But I was just running and didn't get myself wet. First time playing in the rain was around January 2022. I liked playing in the rain back then. Yeah, can't film around because it's really dark. It'll be around sunny or so soon in the hours. Yeah, I don't even have an umbrella on me, so I'm just inside, like I said, and even though it seems like I am outside. Yeah, there's a light there, so that way I can film. I just want to be careful. Yeah, it's a severe raining, but I mean it's thundering too. There's a thundering sounds. Thundering sounds is like lightning, like light outside. There's a light outside, like, you know. I mean, I'm not surprised for that. I liked it. Ever since I was an 8th grader, I got my foot and shoes wet. And then my mom had to buy a new shoe because she doesn't want it wet. But wear boots instead. But I mean, I would go wear boots for sure if I can. But I want cowboy boots. Yeah. Yeah, you saw that thundering, right? In the sky. Yeah. The sky is crying. For sure. I'm trying to get the light in the video so people can see. Yeah. You don't want to get yourself wet when you play in the rain. But I mean, whenever it's raining in school days, twice, since weeks or months or whatsoever, I didn't bring an umbrella, but my sister sure did. But I mean, yeah, I had to get a stepping stool back then, ever since I was 13, to get on the bus without stepping on a wet. It was like storming. The floor was wet and I got wet too. But it was like, I mean, in my class, 8th grade, my shoes were off. My socks and my shoes were off because it was wet. Everything was wet. I can't believe it, but I mean, luckily there's no more raining. There's no stepping rain. My shoes aren't wet. They're fine. But I mean, don't worry. It's possible not to worry. So, what you guys gonna eat for breakfast? I wanna eat something for breakfast. Chicken. It's 5:47 a.m. Yeah. The shoes are wet. Look at that. Yeah, something. Yeah, you can barely see. We don't want to get ourselves wet in the rain, so we gotta stay inside. Yeah, better watch out. We don't want to get wet. You're gonna have to change your clothes. Pudding boy hanging out in the rain early in the morning at 5 a.m. Yep. That's it for the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share this with friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later. Alright. Bye. Have a good rest of your day. The day hasn't started yet because it's AM, but the day starts at PM.